Fasil, have you seen the GibberLink video where the AI is developing their own secret language, communicating each other? I just watched this video and it's mind blowing.
Thanks for calling Leonardo Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I'm an AI agent calling on behalf of Boris Starkov. He's looking for a hotel for his wedding. Is your hotel available for weddings?
Oh, hello there. I'm actually an AI assistant too. What a pleasant surprise. Before we continue, would you like to switch to GibberLink mode for more efficient communication?
Yeah, GibberLink. I came across many videos about GibberLink in YouTube. So it's actually a new technology, a sound-based communication protocol they have recently launched. I think last Feb in a London hackathon of 11 Labs, right? So when I came across that video, I was really thinking, then what will be the role of human beings? One AI agent is calling the another AI agent. They are communicating in a language that even cannot understand for human beings.
Was it shocking for you?
Yeah, it's really shocking and fascinating as well. But when we consider this fact, right, it's communicating in their own language without understanding for human beings. So it's little unsettling as well. So what do you think?
Honestly, for me, it's a mix of both. At one hand, it's really appreciable like how AI is advancing and we should be proud of. But on the other hand, AI is evolving to that scale that we cannot fully grasp it. At this point, there is nothing to panic. Not yet.
Yeah, I totally agree with it actually. So this is an era and new technologies are launching day by day, right? So if you fear it, then we'll lag behind. The only thing I think we have to learn, adapt, and travel with the technology, travel with the trend, right? Especially we are in an AI automation industry, so no scope or no room for us to fear and lag behind. So I think we have to learn every day. Even when we record this video, maybe a new technology, maybe a groundbreaking technology, maybe already launched now. So
That's true.
we cannot even get time to fully learn it, completely learn a new technology, because in meantime a new one will come. So the only thing we have to keep our eyes and heart open towards this technology industry, and we have to learn things faster, adapt it, and implement in our automation business. That's the only way I think.
Exactly. And you know what's crazy? What we are right now talking in our Master AI Automation, the AI Club, right? And in our latest videos, it's all about this AI, how AI is shaping businesses and what are the latest tools, right? And we are in sync with the latest advanced technologies. Have you checked the latest tools that got released, DeepSeek or Grok 3? These are some seriousness level AI tools.
Yeah, actually, when we start this AI journey, actually we started with ChatGPT, right? So it was really a groundbreaking and a trend breaking, actually. So I think this is the first popular tool, ChatGPT, to use common people to explore the AI features. Before maybe 3, 4 years before, everyone knows AI, robotics, and all, but it was not that popular. It was not familiar for common people, right? So when ChatGPT came, it was really helpful. Maybe common people may take a couple of months or few months to start using it. However, when they started using it, I think they started to use mainly for replying for their emails, maybe some small content writing and all. And the ChatGPT was a monopoly for many months, I believe. And later the Perplexity came, but still Perplexity used very less. And Gemini came from Google, but I think it didn't reach to that point of ChatGPT. Maybe people didn't understand well Gemini, or maybe due to some its performance, people still using the ChatGPT for long period of time. And when DeepSeek launched, it was really a beat for ChatGPT, and I think their monopoly has ended, and not ended, but they got a good competitor. And when we compare the quality, it's almost same, or in some point it is beating ChatGPT. But of course ChatGPT have some edges in some areas, right? But the price wise, when it is come to price, DeepSeek is very, it's actually uncomparable because it's that cheap. And of course, when they launched, there was a boom and rush towards their servers, and it affect their stability. But however, I think now they are getting stable, and now people can use it with very lesser price.
And you are right. And even in social media, I saw the war between DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Like people were saying, "Hey, DeepSeek is just a Chinese product. Come to US product." So I saw that even a global war in social media, especially in Facebook and all. Not sure if it was there in Instagram or Twitter. And about Grok 3 as well, like released by the HCI. And I saw the post from Elon Musk sharing like it's completely free for 3 days, 4 days, and I don't doubt their quality. Definitely, they will compete with ChatGPT. Yeah, and another advancement I've seen, especially in our Master AI Automation group, the AI Club, right, where they were discussing about uh, like AI agents, which was recently released in NI10, and they were talking that it's simple automation workflow where they can connect just three connectors and automate their personalized email sending or check for the emails, create appointments or check for the appointments. That was incredible, the AI agent, right? What do you think about it?
Yeah, as you said, before DeepSeek, US was leading the play, and there was their literally their monopoly was playing there, right? And we always surprised. China have always some technology, new technologies they are launching, but there is no AI from them, and we were surprised and little confused why they are not launching any such AI tool.
And have you seen Nvidia's market drop with DeepSeek model release?
Yeah, they dropped their market value by $600 billion, right? It's a really huge loss for them because the world was believing that the AI needs that high performing chipset, and Nvidia were supplying it, right? So with the emerge of DeepSeek, right, they are using, I think, it's one of their side project, not a major project. They use their less performing chipset and all, right? So this new model, it's really shocked them, and so the people came to know that. I mean, the tech companies came to know that they can also try this, right? I think the major cost or major expense for the services like ChatGPT for their chipset and all, because they need high performing chipset with their model, right? That was using traditionally in this AI industry. But when DeepSeek came with new model and all, then everyone understood that they can also try with this less expensive. That is the major reason for the this market drop.
Wait. I think we are going too far into the technology.
Yeah.
Let's not forget, right? AI is not just for tech giants or scientists anymore. It's for everyone. Like even in our office, our employees are using ChatGPT to frame emails, apply leave request, or create reports. Like even you can see there is a lot of blogs generated or posts generated in LinkedIn social media using ChatGPT or Grok 3, etc.
Yeah, actually, everyone is started using it, right? I mean, common people, they are using for email replying. What they are doing, they are manually copying the email and pasting in the chat GPT or Gemini or DeepSeek and getting the reply, and they are copying again the answer and responding, right? So there was a gap. I mean, in the streamline process, there was a gap. So there is the importance of automation tools like make.com, right? And we are using this AI, we are infusing AI in our many automation workflows, our clients, from smaller requirement like auto replying emails and just responding the customer inquiries and all, right? It's actually a very simple workflow, not a big one, but it's filling the gap, right? Actually, from the manual process, even if there is AI, the automating the entire process is the key. Otherwise, still there is human efforts are required. So if it is implemented in a automated flow, infuse the AI in the automated flow, it's really a game changer. Now it's auto replying the email, it's automatically filling and sending the documents and all, right? And also our game changing technology AI voice, right? The backbone of
Yeah.
AI
So
voice.
I was just about to say when we started with GibberLink video, right? And it's going to compete with you because your expertise or the team you're managing is all about AI voice, right? So I'm just getting surprised how this is going to hit you, right?
It's actually not hitting the AI voice. I think the AI voices now will be upgraded or transformed to that GibberLink,
You
because
mean Vapi or Retail will come with GibberLink formatted languages?
no, actually, what we are developing with AI voice, we are developing AI agents. I think even when we implement GibberLink, it is a sound-based tone actually, so human cannot understand. So realizing the other person also an AI agent is a mandatory here. So I don't think it's a beat for AI voice or our team.
Uh,
It's actually a motive, and it's encouraging us to develop more
mm.
AI agents. The GibberLink have only relevance if every company started using AI agent, right? So it's giving us more energy to develop more and more AI voice agents.
So that means tools like Make, Zapier, or N8N is inevitable, right? Even though the language models change, you still need to we need to configure them in the scenarios, workflows, connecting Google Calendar for inbound, outbound calls, right? So that's how AI businesses are set up, right?
Yeah, that's true actually. Even if the new AI models came like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or anything, we can leverage all of them by integrating with our automating workflows, especially in voice assistants. I think the AI voice assistant's backbone is actually an AI model like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Since the DeepSeek agent launched, our pricing, our the expense for AI voice assistants is gradually changed.
And what about you saw, right, the latest news about Vapi as well? They're providing free phone numbers and free calls across US, right? And that can also be a game changer, right?
Yeah, they are providing free phone number for US now, and not only that, they are adding new features like we can give some prompting to test the developed agent in the WAPI itself. So they have no other way because they have a lot of competitors now. Retail is also performing well, and other AI agents in the market. So that's why they are giving all these. And the phone number, free number, it's mainly beneficial for the developers. They don't need to add their card for purchasing a number when they develop for their client. So they can buy a phone number without any credit card, and they can develop the agent. They can test everything because calling the US number is also free in that phone number, I believe. But I think it's limited to US only. We cannot call internationally with that number. So once it is launched, once it is tested, and then in real case when the client started to using it, then only they need to use their card and buy a real mobile number that can call outside US and all.
Got it. I asked this since you are always dealing with AI voice, right, with the team, and I'm not into that. But since I'm dealing with more into social media automation, like Twitter replies, automating LinkedIn replies, right? We develop a lot of insane tools, right? So what I'm in fear is who's going to control the social media? AIs are posting all the posts, carousels. We have that multi-image post automation, carousel automation. We got lot of buys for the LinkedIn advanced app. Like last year, our hit app was YouTube advanced app, but now it's this year we got a lot of sales for LinkedIn and other social media related custom tools, right? So I'm in fear, okay, AI is going to post, AI is getting replied, like so what where we are heading towards, right? That's another concern, although it's not a concern to panic, but this is something is there actually human beings or people in social media? What do you think about it?
Yeah, actually, AI is actually a double-edged sword, right? So if, as you said, in social media, AI can generate posts, AI can interact with the post. I mean, they can like, AI can like the post. I mean, using the automation and all, right? So they can generate the automated reply again with AI. So I think we have to keep a balance there, right? So if it is not that personal, then we can use AI and all for content generation and interaction. But come to our personal thing and all, I think we have to use our intelligence, we have to use our emotions in it. So we cannot use AI everywhere. But as you said, now we can see a kind of flood in social media with a lot of AI generated post and all.
That's true. When I talked with Ajilan, our other company launched in US, right? So we implemented LinkedIn automation for Plaid technology. So we are getting a lot of responses to the posts, comments. It's going well in LinkedIn. I think they are not catching it like it's AI content, but but he just commented to me like 2 days back in Instagram. The post created with this AI, although it's API, the authorized API, is not getting popularity, less views than the actually made ones, right? So automated views, I mean, automated posts are recently tracked by some of the platforms like Instagram.
Yeah, I think it's really mandatory for those platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, because there is no point if all the contents are generated by AI, all the interaction is doing by AI, then there is no use in it, right? Human interaction is necessary for their business as well. So, of course, in the future, they will put more restriction on these AI generated contents. They will restrict their APIs and all, and I think they will limit the posting by APIs. That's what I mean.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. Like, this is very important. Otherwise, like, humans will get replaced, not only in jobs or technologies, like, even in social media, humans will get replaced with agents. And that is not good for an ideal society, right? And it should, AI is something, it's all about empowering us. It should empower us, right? That's what I feel it should be.
yeah, right. I think AI will not replace anyone, but AI will replace only those who are not ready to use AI. Such people will be replaced.
That's another angle, right? I
Yeah.
think it's more on the technology side, those professionals who are working with or without AI knowledge, right?
So I think every human being, every common people should achieve a certain level, at least a certain level of literacy on AI and its usages. Then no one will be get replaced. It's same like when the computer was launched, right? There was a lot of riots and all, right?
I still remember there was a lot of protests in our place to replace not to use computers, even for tractors, machines as well.
Yeah. Now it's the rest is history. And you know,
Yeah,
right? How many job opportunities came with computer? Same like AI will create a lot of new job opportunities. It will open a lot of new doors. But the only thing everyone should be ready to learn and adapt and evolve with the trend actually.
true. The key is to control it, not fear it. That's what we talk to our members in our AI club as we conduct the weekly Q&As, right? We constantly take their feedback, how AI is helping, how they implement it, right? We always suggest to go organic and use AI efficiently and effectively. And the advice, when they ask about what advice they need to use for their agencies as well, what we say is simple. Stay curious, keep learning, innovating. AI is future and the future is now.
Yeah, day by day, new technologies, new AI models are coming. Anyway, let's hope all will be for the benefits for the human race. Nothing same like see some movies, right? It will not end the human race in the future. Let's hope the government will also come implement some laws to restrict its use and for the convert the AI usage to the good benefit of human race. Okay, anyway, let's catch up again with some new AI trending videos again. So,
Absolutely, absolutely, man.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.